Computer System Servicing for Grade 7 Exploratory, Week 1. Lesson 1, Using and Maintaining Hand Tools. The objectives of today's lesson are the following. Number 1, identify and select appropriate hand tools according to the task requirements. Number 2, check and identify unsafe hand tools according to the standard company procedure. Number 3, observe all safety procedures and using tools at all times and use appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE. What is a tool? A tool is a handheld device that aids in accomplishing tasks. As a learner, you are expected to be familiar in identifying and selecting hand tools according to the task requirements and increase awareness in addressing hand tool safety concerns. In conducting computer repairs, it is important to have a toolkit that contains all the necessary tools. Computer hardware tools are categorized into four. First, electrostatic discharge tools or ESD. Second, hand tools. Third, cleaning tools. And the last, diagnostic tools. The first classification of hardware tools is electrostatic discharge tools. It is the release of static electricity when two objects come into contact. Familiar examples of ESD include the shock wave when we receive when we walk across a carpet and touch a metal doorknob, and the static electricity we feel after drying clothes in a clothes dryer. A more extreme example of ESD is a lightning bolt. While most ESD are harmless, it can be an expensive problem in many industrial environments. ESD tools prevent the sudden flow of electricity to avoid damage to your computer components and parts. Example of electrostatic discharge tools is anti-static wrist strap. To keep it simple, an anti-static wrist strap is used to make sure that the voltage difference in your body and the computer is balanced out. By grounding your body with an anti-static wrist strap, any excess static charge in your body will be dissipated right away. The computer has delicate parts that even the slightest of ESD could risk damaging the hardware or the component, rendering them useless. Another example of electrostatic discharge tool is anti-static mat. It is used to stand or place hardware on to prevent static electricity from building up. The last example of electrostatic discharge tool is the anti-static spray. It can be applied on floors, walls, ceilings, tools, equipment, and workspaces to prevent building up of electrostatic discharge. The next classification of hardware tools is hand tools. Hand tools is used in the performing tasks like computer assembly and computer repair. These tools are manually operated by hand and are available individually or as part of computer repair toolkit. Toolkits range widely in size, quality, and price. Flathead screwdriver is a hand tool used for tightening and loosening slotted screws and has a flat wedge-shaped tip. The number one most important tool for PC building is a Phillips head screwdriver with a big bit, helpful to avoid stripping the head. A long shaft also aids in keeping the handle out of the way when working in tight spaces. It's a good idea to keep a short screwdriver around as well, for the same reason. Torx screwdriver is used for loosening or tightening screws with star-like depression at the end, a function often seen on a laptop. Hex driver is sometimes referred to as a nut driver. It is used to tighten nuts like a screwdriver tightens screws. Needle nose plier is also known as a long nose pliers. It is characterized by long, tapering jaws or equal length. It is used for holding small portions. Tweezers are used for picking up objects too small to be easily handled by human hands. Wire cutter is used for stripping and cutting wires. Flashlight is a hand tool used to light up areas that you cannot see well. Next is a part retriever. It is used to retrieve screws, jumpers, fasteners, and other parts and prevents them from getting mixed. Another classification of hardware tools are the cleaning tools. Cleaning tools are essentials when maintaining and repairing computers. Using the appropriate cleaning tools helps ensure that computer components are not damaged during cleaning. Lint-free cloth is a special type of cleaning cloth that wipes off dust and other types of unwanted elements from computer parts without scratching or leaving debris on them. Another cleaning tool is a computer duster. Computer duster softly brushes away dust from your computer parts. This is commonly used for cleaning computer keyboard. Compressed air is a product used for cleaning or dusting electronic equipment and other sensitive devices that cannot be cleaned using water. The next cleaning tool is the cable ties. Cable ties are used to organize all kinds of cables like those used in a computer, an entertainment system, or in a network. Cable ties are also very cheap, which makes it a great cost-effective solution to many jobs around the home. The last example of cleaning tools is a parts organizer. It is a type of storage box featuring small compartments for sorting components like screws, nails, bolts, washers, etc. The computer parts organizer is divided into various compartments by one or more removable isolation boards. The last classification of hardware tools are the diagnostic tools. Diagnostic tools are used to test and diagnose equipment. The first example of diagnostic tool is multimeter. Multimeter is an electronic tool used to measure voltage, ampere, and resistance across circuits. By attaching two leads to different parts of electrical system, learners can use multimeter to detect voltage and resistance levels, or changes in electrical currents using digital multimeters. The last example is a loopback adapter. It is also known as the loopback plug, which is used to test physical ports to identify network issue. It provides system test engineers a simple but effective way of testing the transmission capability and receiver sensitivity of a network equipment. In a word, it is a connection device that is plugged into a port to perform a loopback test. End of Module 1.